Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at tape diagrams as we review ratios. Tape diagrams are an especially useful visual model to help you see what's going on in the ratio table. So today we're going to be looking at this recipe that I've created. It is how to make purple paint. And so our recipe calls for 2 blues and 3 reds. And you can see from the tape diagram that we do in fact have 2 blue pieces and 3 red pieces. Some people call these bins or boxes. So I have 2 blue boxes to 3 red boxes. And in the ratio table, you can see the 3 and the 2 in their correct spots. So that's fairly straightforward. But what happens if I want to increase the recipe a little bit? Let's say that this is enough to paint 1 purple box. And let's say that I want to use up more blue. So I'm going to say that I have not 2 blues, but let's say that I have 6 blues. How many reds do I need? And you may already know the answer, and that's okay, but follow along with me. So using the model that I've got here, we're going to put a little 6 up here to say altogether we have 6 blues. Well, I have 2 boxes or bins to put the blue paint into. So how much goes into each of those boxes so that you get 6? And again, that's pretty straightforward. 3 plus 3 gives me my 6. Now with the tape diagram, whatever amount you put inside the blue box, you put that same number inside the red box. So you've got 3, 3, and 3. And 3 threes, of course, is 9. So how many reds do we need to use? We need to use 9. So what happens if we want to go with a different number altogether? Let's try that in the next one. I'll switch colors again. Let's say that I want to go to, let's say I want to go to 20. So I'm going to use 20 blues up there. And I have to say I've got 2 bins. And what number plus itself equals 20? Again, that's pretty easy. 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 give me 20. If I put 10s in the blue boxes, put 10s in the red boxes, and 10 3 times, or 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And boom, I've got my answer for my unknown variable. I hope that helped review tape diagrams for you. They're really useful as a visual model if you're having trouble figuring out how to move along the ratio table.